Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you another cool iPhone trick. Now this trick can be used both by iPhone and Android. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Open App Store and install Google. This is the application. Just open it. Click on the Google Lens icon. Now you get a bunch of options. You can translate any text, copy and paste any text right from here to your iPhone. You can search for any photo right from here. It can be a human or an object. Also, you can check for a product and Google will let you know the price worldwide. So basically all the cool Google stuff which you can use in most of the Android devices. Let's see two main features. For example, if you want to copy any text, if you're a student or learning any course, this feature can be very helpful. You can take a photo of any text right from here and copy and paste to your iPhone. Just click on the text icon and then click on select all option. As you can see here, all the text is selected. You can copy the text by clicking over here. Now we have copied all this text. Now come out of the application and open Notes application on your iPhone. And just paste the text right over here which we have copied from the Google application. As you can see over here that I have copied and pasted the selected text within seconds on my iPhone. This is really a cool feature, especially for students or if you are learning any course. And this can be also done on iPads. You can also listen to the text by clicking on this icon if you're driving or busy doing something.
Galaxy S21 rumors have been picking up steam for a while now, and at a point where we know.
And not just this, it also has a cool feature of translating any text to your desired language. It will auto-detect the text to English or French or any other desired language of your choice. When you choose the option of translate, it can translate any language text in front of the camera. As you can see here, it's translating the Chinese text. You need to hold your phone still and within seconds it will translate it accurately. Let's also check another language text, this time in Hindi. As you can see, it's very quick to understand and translating the language to desired English language, which I have set as default language. This can be very handy if you are in a different country where all the traffic signs and most of the hoardings are in local language, like France or any other country. By using this application, it can help you a lot in different scenarios. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.